can see you munching there. Munching Gutierrez. Whoop! Kaya ko pa ba ito, baba? Bye, guys. Here's some elephants for you. Elephants. And more elephants over there.
This kind of food they just put it in the water. That's the one that
Yeah, okay. Bigyan mo daw kasi siyang food. Gusto mong food?
His camera shy. He was so dal-dal before I shot him.
Sugar. Ash. Ano pang commercial?
Dito sa camera. Yeah.
14 giraffes.
How about you?
Oh my gosh, babe!
That's amazing.
This is a version of the Great Migration.
And one more. Wow. Ready for another adventure? Say that again. The Beatles. What a beautiful, beautiful day. Earliest people on the planet. Hi, Baba. You're so beautiful.
There are four. Both of them, I think they're the brothers. They're the young men.
Baba. He's good. Baba, take it. You getting good shots, Baba? Serengeti Express. Did you flash?
In fact, like they have cheetahs in the king. Just see my way and you can keep over the cheetahs.
Oscar's a little sneaky, no?
So great.
Thank you for the surprise, Oscar. This is great. Asante sana. Surprise lunch. And that's the loo with the view. Toilets with the view. That's our lunch, Baba. Happy birthday.
It's your birthday.
It's your birthday. Enjoying your safari lunches, picnics. Ganda. What is this, brother? So in Swahili, they also have a thing where they say something before eating, like in Japanese, right? Itadakimasu. So here it's Nukala Sasa. Nukala Sasa. What's happening there?
Lunch.
Oh God. Just very little place. Very little potato. Ah, thank you so much. What is this? What is happening? Poa. Poa kichizi kama ndizi kwenye friji.
C'est comme ça, c'est pour
Chill like a banana in the fridge.
Et puis achète les vêtements
Poa
pour les enfants.
kichizi kama ndizi kwenye friji. Poa kichizi kama ndizi kwenye friji. Good? Asante sana. Poa poa. Poa kichizi kama ndizi kwenye friji.
Poa kichizi kama ndizi kwenye friji.
Poa kichizi kama ndizi kwenye friji. Poa kichizi kama ndizi kwenye friji. Poa kama cheese. Poa kichizi kama ndizi kwenye friji. Poa poa poa. Poa kichizi kama ndizi kwenye friji. Poa kichizi kama ndizi kwenye friji. Hakuna matata.
Looks so funny.
Huge ears, cute, right?
Oh my god, it's like frozen still. This is hilarious. They're so cute.
Hold on, I'll try both.
Having a good view from the top?
I think so. Look at this guy, these guys. Oh my god, yes. So, what's this, Baba? What are we doing?
Tracking.
Hmm?
Tracking.
Are we doing a little photo shoot
What's that? It's like
with Elias? Is this fun?
So now you can see sunset.
Something we said we want to do?
It's
Cool.
raining there.
Yeah, it's a daytime moon.
Shouldn't it be?
Beautiful. And then you get a sunset over there. How crazy is that? Say bye-bye, Tanzania. It's a wrap. Thank you, Oscar.
You're welcome.
Coolly.
You're welcome.
Namumroblema ka ba dyan sa manok mo?
Ang laki.
Hmm?
Ang laki po.
Matigas ba? What is happening? Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. It's your birthday? Jacos Lea Santisana. Best time tonight, last night. We're very sad that we're leaving because we love Serengeti and Tanzania. We love to Poa Kichizi, Kamandizi, Kwenye. Make a wish. Make a wish. Looks like a hyena. Buffalo?
Buffalo?
They were quick, diba? The eyes were moving really fast. We're gonna miss this place. What's that?
Dick.
Dicky Dick. Oh, cute! Dick Dick!
Oh yes, it's Tick Tick.
Good night, Kipa.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Take care, okay? Asante sana.
Okay, sana. Wageni nakaribishwa, yangu sera hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana. Wageni.
Best people in the world. Hakuna Matata. Are you sad? It's the best. Thank you, Oscar, for making us experience real Africa. Giving me the best shots I could get.
I've been very really lucky with the animals
Yeah.
and everything. And we're hoping you're gonna be a good ambassador in your country and
Yes.
to your friends all over the world. So we're hoping to get more people from you guys.
You can count on that.
Yes.
Tanzania #1.
I'm sure you have a lot of friends, a lot of neighbors, relatives.
Yeah.
So when you go show them the pictures, tell them the stories, I'm sure they'll be interested to come to Tanzania.
Yeah. Which one are we? Your care. This has been our buddy for the past days. Packed lunch. Want some, Bob? Ooh. That looks good.
Thank you so much. Remove your seat cushion. Put both your arms inside the white straps, holding tightly across your chest. Securely fastened. Your arm was down and your table chairs are closed up for takeoff. Thank you very much. Jump once again and have a lovely flight to Zanzibar.
It's a small plane.
Your crew today, my name is Charles. Thank you for choosing Ori.
All of the seats that have been released finally. Unlocked.
Just in front of it. It's very old.
Uy.
Wow, look at the coast. Hello. Oh, what was that?
Oh, let's overhead bus. The floor will be rotating as we're going up. Thank you.
Ay, umiikot siya. Open.
Hi.
Ikot-ikot.
Hi. Turista.
Oh my God. no.
Tren baba, ang ganda ng tren, sarap sakyanan no. Then we had to stop.